Hello friends, welcome to SKB classes. Today we are going to discuss some basic questions on probability. This chapter is very important from various exam point of view like banking, SSC and other teacher recruitment exam. So let's start. Here is a question. A coin is tossed 3 times. Find the probability of getting all heads, at most 2 heads, at least 2 heads. Let's get the answer. A coin is tossed 3 times. First of all, we have to write sample space. A coin is tossed 3 times. So, number of element in sample space is equal to 2 to the power 3, that means 8. Sample space is a space set of sample points. Please note down. See the sample spaces here. H, 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 T, 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 H, T, H, T, H, T, 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 H, H, T, T, H, H, T, T, H, H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is the sample space. Then first question given, find the probability of getting all heads. All heads, event is all heads, that is only one, H, H, H. Then what is the probability? Probability of event, probability of event E is equal to total number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. So number of elements in event E divided by number of elements in sample space. So number of elements event E is 1 and number of sample space is 8. In this way we will get at most 2 head. At most 2 head मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2 हेड आ सकता है. 2 हेड से कम आ सकते हैं, लेकिन 2 हेड से ज़्यादा नहीं आ सकते हैं. 2 हेड से ज़्यादा मतलब 3 हेड, that is 1. So इसे ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, 2 हेड मतलब इवेंट इज इक्वल टू टी 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 एच टी एच टी एच टी 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 एच टी टी HHT, THH. Number of elements in event E is 7. So probability of event E is number of elements event E divided by number of elements in event S, 7/8. Third question says that at least 2 head, कम से कम 2 हेड आनी चाहिए, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं। 2 हेड का मतलब इवेंट इज इक्वल टू एच 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 टी एच 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 टी टी एच एच। 2 हेड से कम नहीं आना चाहिए। सो नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स कितना, 1 2 3 4। प्रोबेबिलिटी जी इक्वल टू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ इवेंट ई जी इक्वल टू 4 डिवाइडेड बाई 8। हो गया, दैट्स ऑल। देन कम टू सेकंड क्वेश्चन। Given question is a dice is rolled twice, then find the probability that sum of points is 10, sum of points at least 10, sum of points is at most 10. Let's get answer. First we have to write down the sample space or write down the number of elements in sample space. A dice is rolled twice, मतलब number of elements in sample space is 6 to the power 2. That is 36. Dice once, यदि number of elements in dice rolled once, that is sample space 6. Twice, sample space 6 to the power 2. Thrice, 6 to the power q. Here it is in formula n to the power, sorry, so sample point to the power n, sorry, sample point to the power n. First question says that sum of points is 10, then event 1 is sum of points is 10. 2 पॉइंट ऐसे होंगे जिसका सम 10 होगा। 4 6 आ सकते हैं और 5 5 आ सकता है, 6 4 आ सकता है, और तो नहीं आ सकते हैं। 3 ले नहीं सकते, 6 से ज़्यादा नहीं है, इसलिए तो 3 ही है। तो इसलिए नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन E1 इज इक्वल टू 3। अतः प्रोबेबिलिटी E1 इज इक्वल टू number of elements in E1 in number of elements in sample space, 3 divided by 36. Second question says that sum of points is at least 10. एटलीस्ट 10, कम से कम 10 हो सकते हैं, 10 से कम नहीं हो सकते, 10 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं लेकिन कम नहीं हो सकते। एटलीस्ट 10, एटलीस्ट 10 का मतलब ये होता है 10 हो सकते हैं, 10 से कम नहीं हो सकते, कम से कम 10 होना चाहिए। एटलीस्ट का मतलब कम से कम, एटमोस्ट का मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा। E2, let's it is called, let's say E2 is equal to, क्या क्या हो सकता है, 4 6 हो सकता है, 5 5 हो सकता है, 5 6 हो सकता है, 6 4 हो सकता है, 6 5 हो सकता है, 6 6 हो सकता है, इतना ही हो सकता है। So number of elements in E2 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means probability of E2 is equal to number of elements in E2 divided by number of elements in sample space, 6 divided by 36. Third question says that sum of points is at most 10. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 10 होना चाहिए, 10 से ऊपर नहीं होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 10 होना ही चाहिए, at most 10. Let's E3, let's, it is called E3 is equal to 5 6 6 5 6 6. Cardinality of E2 होता है E2 number of elements is equal to 3 होता है, probability is equal to 3 divided by 36. Then इसको 1 से माइनस करना चाहिए, 1 minus 3 divided by 36 is equal to 33 divided by 36. That is the answer. Then question number 3 says that a coin is tossed twice. Find the probability of getting exactly one head, at least one head, at most one head. Let's get answer. A coin is tossed twice. Number of elements in sample space is 2 to the power 2, that is 4. Sample space is equal to HH, HT, TH, TT. First question says that exactly one head. Exactly one head event, let's say it is event 1 is equal to exactly one head. Exactly one head, this is exactly one head, this is exactly one head, HT and TH. So number of elements in E1 is equal to 2. अतः probability of E1 is equal to number of elements in E1 and number of elements in sample space. 2 divided by 4. To assess that at least one head, let's say it is E2, at least one head, कम से कम एक हेड होना चाहिए, ये एक हेड होना चाहिए, ये भी एक हेड होना चाहिए, एटलीस्ट वन हेड, ये भी एक हेड होना चाहिए। यहाँ पर तो हेड ही नहीं है इसलिए इसको नहीं ले सकते। एच एच, एच टी, टी एच, that means E2 is equal to 3. The probability, simply just probability of E2 is equal to 3 by 4. E3, let's say E3, at most one head, at most one head, एच टी ले सकते हैं, टी एच ले सकते हैं, टी टी ले सकते हैं, यहाँ पर भी 3 आएगा, एच टी, सॉरी, टी एच एंड टी टी। Probability of E3 is equal to 3 by 4. Next class we are going to some other questions which are asked in various exams, or discuss about some topics, some points related probability. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.